Welcome to GroFit with Tammy. I am Tammy Hackman, certified holistic health coach, and this is the channel where I share with you lifestyle changes, yoga routines, and breath work, as well as my tips and tricks that have helped me to feel fit and fabulous as I turn 50. Now, for some truth, I do not always feel fit and fabulous. In fact, a lot of the times I really have to pick myself up to get myself going. Those are the things I want to share with you. My protocol, my toolbox that I turn to. You know, when friends or family are giving you those signals like, stay clear of mom, or what the heck? My reactions are just way over the top. Then I know I need to get back into my protocol. I need to look at my list of tools and see, maybe I was feeling good and I stopped doing some of them. I stopped taking some supplements, eating a little more freely than what I know is good for me. That will leave me feeling depressed, having anxiety, getting inflammation in my body and feeling achy, and that will make me irritable. There are so many things I've learned, and this is the channel where I want to share them with you because I believe you will be feeling fit and fabulous no matter what stage of life's journey you're on. I hope you enjoy these videos. Stay tuned for more.